I will send you the recorded lecture. Now daily I am keeping extra lecture Monday to Saturday. 14th. A conducting rod AB is moving with velocity v in this field. Tell what will be the direction of induced current first, then we'll check who is positive, who is negative by Fleming's right hand rule. By Fleming's right hand rule. Tell me how to get direction of induced current. It's represented by middle finger. Check where
Yes,
it is
sir.
going. So index finger inward, thumb to the right, middle finger is going up. What about you all? Is it same? This way you are getting middle finger upward.
Yes, sir.
So B is positive, A is negative. This is the answer. B is positive, A is negative. Can I clear this? Shall I clear? 15C, important one. When a sheet of metal is placed in magnetic field, east, west, north, south. Sheet of metal is placed in the magnetic field which changes from 0 to maximum. That means field is increasing as per the information. Field is increasing because 0 to maximum is increasing. Induced currents are set up in the direction. Induced current is in clockwise direction. Induced currents are set up as shown in the figure. By figure, I can say it is clockwise. What is direction of that magnetic field? Now I have to go reverse. In earlier cases, direction of field was given. We wanted direction of induced current. Now we are going reverse. Induced current is given. We want to find direction of magnetic field. So I'm going reverse. Induced current is in clockwise. So field induced is in inward direction. Correct or not? Field inward, then only the current is in clockwise. Therefore, it must be opposite to the cause of original field. Original field is increasing in nature.
Yes.
So induced field should decrease.
Decrease.
Original field. So induced field should decrease original field. Induced field decreases original field. To decrease, they must be in same direction or opposite direction.
Opposite.
Therefore, they must be in opposite direction. So our induced wala field is in inward direction. Opposite direction means original field must be outward or not. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if it is outward increasing, inward wala will decrease. Therefore, that current will be clockwise. So it will be out of the plane, option B. Important, some theoretical one. Stop loss रखते हैं 35. हाँ 37 आया तो मुझे लगता है डबल हो जाएगा. स्टॉप लॉस रखते क्या? ध्यान रखते रुकता हूँ. कर लो इधर तो अभी कितना बोल रहे हैं? 25 है. तो अभी completed.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Consider a situation shown in the figure if the switch is closed and after some time, 1 minute, huh? Okay. So it will be 75 minutes. 16th one. Consider situation in the figure if switch is closed and after some time it is opened again, then closed loop will show what? So first case, switch is closed. Second case, switch is open. If switch is closed, current will flow from where to where? Positive to negative. That means from P to Q.
Yes.
So can you suggest me what will be direction of field associated with this coil? Direction of field? Inward or outward? By right hand thumb rule check. What is direction of field?
Outward.
Outward. I'm holding pen in my hand, thumb downward, left side say in, right say outward. Perfect. So this is coming outward. So field is outward. Increasing or decreasing? Switch बंद किया ना तो current increase होएगा ना till it becomes
Increasing.
increasing. So by Lenz's law it should be decreased.
Yeah.
Who will decrease outward को?
Inward.
Inward. That means it will be in clockwise direction in the first case. Now when you open the switch, current will not flow ulta. It will decrease to 0. That means current will keep on flowing in the same direction with decreasing magnitude. Like current will become, starting it was 10, then it will become 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But field will remain in same direction because current will be in same direction. So outward, but decreasing field will be created. So by Lenz's law, it should be increased. Outward is increased by outward. So current will be in anti-clock. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So in first case, clockwise and then anti-clockwise, option D. These all sums are important because it is not Bahart wala, but understanding wala questions. When switch is closed, current is flowing in the direction P to Q and increasing. So outward increasing, therefore we want to decrease, inward we got. Second case also outward, but nature will be decreasing. So by Lenz's law, it is opposed by increasing. Outward will increase, therefore anti-clockwise. Option D. Done? Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
17. In the current I in the induction coil varies with time as shown in the figure. Which one of the following plot shows the variation of coil with time? So this is current flowing through inductance. We want to check which plot is correct plot. This part is increasing current and this part is decreasing. correct?
Decreasing.
So when current is increasing, induced EMF will be negative, and when decreasing, it will be positive.
Positive.
So this will be the nature of the graph. Check where it is. Option C. Only when coil is rotating, then you can see that AC cycle. मतलब वो D वाला. Otherwise, it will be average induced current. Negative for increasing and positive for decreasing. This is the graph of EMF against time. 18. The charge induced in 10 ohm, charge induced in 10 ohm coil, when flux linked with the coil changes from 0.55 Weber to 0.05 Weber in 1/10 of second. What is formula for induced EMF? d5 by
d5 by
dt.
dt.
By D.
E is nothing but IR.
IR.
d5 by dt. We want charge induced. So I dt is d5 by R. This is nothing but charge induced. I dt means charge induced.
Yes, sir.
So d5 means phi1 minus
1 minus
phi2
phi2
upon R. So can I say 0.55 minus 0.05 upon R10? So 0.50 upon 10, which will be 0.05 coulomb. 0.05 coulomb. Option C. Or somebody wants to take use of time, then they will find EMF, then IR, that will be very lengthy affair. So charge induced is nothing but change in flux upon resistance. Okay, done 18th also.
Yes.
19. Magnetic flux in the circuit is 4t square minus 4t plus 1. The total resistance of the circuit is 10 ohm. At t equal to half second, what is induced current? So first E is d5 by dt. IR is d5 by dt. I into 10, derivative will be 8t minus 4. So I into 10 is 8 into half minus 4. When t equal to half. So I into 10, 4 minus 4. I into 10 0. So current is 0. Current flowing is 0. Option 2. Copy 19.
Answer.
Okay. Core of transformer is laminated to reduce the eddy current. We laminate to reduce the heat produced by eddy current.
Yes, sir.
That means it will increase the efficiency of the device. Loss कम हो जाएगा. So it is laminated to reduce the losses. That means increase the efficiency. 21. AC voltmeter is 220. What is peak voltage? So AC part we have not done. खाली एक बताया था formula. AC ammeter or AC voltmeter always records RMS value. What is RMS value in AC part? I will explain. Root means square. So reading of voltmeter is 220. That means they are telling voltage in RMS is 220. We are going to derive, this is E naught upon root 2. I will derive later. Formula just remember. So 220 is equals to peak value E0 upon root 2. That means it is 220 root 2. So 220 into 1.414. 22 into 4 is 88. Carry 8. 22 and 8 is 30. Carry 3. 88 and 3 is 91. Carry 9. 22 into 1. 22 and 9, 31. And 1 0 after 3-digit decimal. So this will be 311.08, which is not present anywhere. Therefore, option is B. Solve.
Done, sir.
Third. No, 22. A square loop with side 2 meter is perpendicular to the field. A square loop is 20 volt perpendicular to the field. Half loop is inside the field. The magnitude of field is varying with time as 0.04 minus 0.9 t. With V in Tesla, T in second, what is total EMF and direction of current in the circuit? See, if induced current is more than 20, then direction of current will be reversed. Because if 20 is giving current in anti-clockwise, then minus 21 will give more than 20, so it will become clock. So first I will find what is induced EMF in magnitude and direction. It is rate of change of flux in opposite direction. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That means d phi is NAB, cos theta is cos 0 because it is perpendicular to the field. So perpendicular means area vector and field are in same direction, that angle is 0. N A dB by dt is the flux. N is 1 ton, area is half of the side square, and d by dt of B is 0.04 minus 0.9 t. So minus of half, side is given 2, 0.040 minus 0.9. So minus of half into 4 into 0.9, 2 into 2, 4. This will become minus minus plus 1.8 volt. Plus means they are assisting each other. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So E total is EMF plus induced because both are positive. So 20 plus 1.8 is 21.8. Current will move in anti-clockwise, same as original. Check this out option. 21.8 and in same direction, that is anti-clockwise. Option D. One second, just complete one second. Once you complete, please tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next sum read. Electric potential we want by moving this coil. 23rd. An electric potential difference will be induced when the end of conductor moves in which direction? When there is EMF induced, when B, L, B are mutually perpendicular to each other in moving rod. So north pole, south pole. What is direction of field? Outside. See, within the magnet, it is from south to north.
Okay.
Outside from north to south, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is field B bar along x-axis. Conductor is kept this way. This is which axis? Can I say Z?
Yes.
So V bar should be along Y. Then only they will become mutually perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
So along Y is resembling this M. Along Y, that means M.
Yes, sir.
So option D.
Done, sir.
Next. 24th. Peak value of alternating EMF E naught cos omega t is 10 volt. Who is peak in this formula? E or E naught?
E naught.
E naught is 10 volt. And its frequency is 50 hertz. At time 1/600 second, what is the instantaneous value of EMF? So E is E naught, which is 10 cos of 2 pi into frequency into time, 10 times cos of 2 pi 50 into 1/600, that is 10 times cos of pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 means cos 30, which is root 3 by 2, 5 root 3 volt. 5 root 3. Check option 5 root 3. Yes, B option. Completed?
Yes, sir. Done.
25th. A coil has area 1 square centimeter, that is 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. (100 tons) is placed in magnetic field of 10 raised to 3 Gauss, which is 1 Gauss means 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. Its plane makes 30° with the field. Plane makes 30° with the field. That means with area vector, angle is 60°. Find what is flux. Always angle is between area vector and the field, not the plane and the field. So find the flux. Flux will be NAB cos of 60. 100 into 10 raised to minus 4, 10 raised to minus 1, cos 60 is half, 2 into 50. So 50 into 10 raised to minus 5 or 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 Weber. 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 Weber, option D. Done?
Done, sir.
26th. A flat coil of n tons, area A, resistance R is placed in uniform field of magnitude B. Plane of coil is initially perpendicular to B. Plane of coil initially perpendicular, that means the initial flux is maximum, which is NAB. Say plane of coil is perpendicular to the field means angle is 0, not 90, because angle between area vector and field we are taking. Therefore, flux is maximum initially. At an angle theta about xy, charge amount q flows through it. Charge of amount q flows through it. Which of the following statement is incorrect? First one. If theta is 90, then final flux will be NAB cos 90, that is 0. So charge q will be phi1 minus phi2 by r, NAB minus 0 by r equal to NAB upon r. So first is correct, we want which is incorrect. Second, if theta is 180, so phi2 will become NAB cos of 180, which is minus of NAB. So charge induced is phi1 minus phi2 by r, NAB minus of minus NAB upon r which will become twice NAB upon R. Same they have given answer. So this is also correct. C, if theta is 180, Q is 0. This is incorrect, okay? Because for 180 we got twice NAB upon R, not Q equal to 0. So this is incorrect. Therefore, answer is C. Okay, followed?
Yes, sir.
Can I leave?
Okay. Yeah, leave it. Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
27. If resistance R in the circuit A of the figure is decreased, is the figure given? Current will flow from this direction, positive to negative. B. Is decreased, what will be the direction of induced current in circuit B? When R is decreased, can I say current will increase? This current I will increase, correct or not? R is decreased, then current I will increase, that is true.
Yes.
What will be direction of field associated with B? Out or in?
In.
Inward, correct? So field with B will be inward, increasing or decreasing? Increasing, because current is increasing. So by Lenz's law, it should be decreased, correct? No?
Yes.
To decrease, we require outward field. That is, field should be outward, okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, induced current is anti-clockwise. Induced current is in anti-clockwise direction. Now, write B, always anti-clockwise. And then clockwise, cancel that one. Till 33 I will complete today. Rest all are AC circuits that I will start today evening. So this week my target is to complete EMI and AC completely. Next week AMN, atoms, molecule, nuclei. So as per commitment, I will be short by 5 days. 12th December is Sunday. By that, atoms, molecule, nuclei will get over. Then one chapter left out, semiconductor. Okay, done. 27. Shall I clear? 27.
Done, sir.
28th one. A 230 volt AC is more dangerous than 230 volt DC. 230 volt AC means ERMS is 230 volt. कुछ नहीं रहता है तो RMS value. So ERMS we are going to derive E naught upon root 2. So 230 E naught root 2. That means its peak value will be greater than this 230, which is greater than 230. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, peak value of AC is greater than 230 volt as compared to DC. Therefore, it is more dangerous. Do. $29. The graph, some magnetic flux is changed from coil of resistance 10. As result, an induced current is developed which varies with time as shown. Magnitude of change in flux through the coil in Weber. Current and time graph is given. Current is 4 ampere when time is 0 and 0 when time is 0.1 seconds. So current versus time graph is given. What is area under graph called as? Integration, if you recollect.
Yes, sir.
So can I say I dt, integral of I dt is area under graph? From math student might be knowing this.
Yes, sir.
What is I dt? Is it nothing but dq
Yes,
by integration? And total charge upon R is called as flux.
yes, sir.
Okay. So I dt matlab dq, which is shear charge under area under graph. So I can say total charge q equals to half into base into height, that is half into 0.1 into 4, which is equals to 0.2 coulomb. Therefore, flux is change in charge upon R, 0.2 upon 10, 0.02 coulomb. Very important sum. नहीं एक मिनट, एक सेकंड मिस्टेक हो गया. Charge we got as 0.2 coulomb total charge. Charge is change in flux upon R. Therefore, flux change total is Q 0.2 into 10, that is 2 Weber. This is the answer. 2 Weber. A option. So it should click that I t का ग्राफ में I dt का integration is nothing but charge. And then charge induced is change in flux upon resistance. Completed?
Done.
Okay. North pole of magnet is brought towards the face of stationary coil. North pole is brought towards. Then this pole should behave like north pole to repel it. No.
Yes, sir.
So current will flow in which direction? Anti-clockwise.
Anti.
So face of coil towards the magnet becomes south pole. Wrong. There is no current. Wrong. Current flows in coil in anti-clockwise direction is correct. C option. 31. In the coil, EMF induced is changed from current is changed from 4 ampere to 8 ampere. So change in current is 4 ampere in time 0.1 second. If EMF induced is 8 volt, find what is self inductance. So E is L di upon dt. Therefore 8 equals to L. Change in current 4. I have taken only magnitude upon 0.1. So L is 0.8 upon 4 equals to 0.2 Henry. Any doubt in sum number 31? Direct formula based?
No, sir.
Okay, sorry. (32) What is formula for energy in inductor? Energy stored in magnetic field in inductor, half Li square.
Half Ls.
We are interested in change in energy. So change in energy will be half L I2 square minus I1 square. From the previous problem, L is 0.2, I2 is 8 square, I1 is 4 square. Any doubt? Hello, any doubt? 0.1 into 48, 4.8 joule. 4.8 joule. Shall I clear it?
Done, sir.
33. A 100 millihenry coil carries current of 1 ampere. Energy stored is how much? You try this. Energy stored is half Li square. Please substitute and tell me the answer. 100 milli convert into only Henry. Tell the answer now. What is the answer? Tell.
Yes, sir. See.
See? Okay. 34, 35 I can't do because that is part of AC. Tell me 36th wala. R by L ka dimension. This also I have explained you. This is ohm. This is ohm second. So 1 upon second. It is similar to dimension of what? Frequency or not?
See.
Okay. One last sum, 37. Then AC part I will start. 37. Energy required to establish current of 4 ampere energy required to establish current of 4 ampere in self inductance of 200 millihenry is how much? This also I hope you can manage. Try. Tell the answer for energy stored. Half of 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 4 square. 1.6?
Yes.
Okay. 1.6 joule. Correct. Option D it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all EMI part I have completed except transformer sums we have not yet. So today we'll stop here. In the evening I will start with AC part.